So as the title suggests, I hold the claim that Bryce Young will not start over Mac Jones. And so before I get into why, I have this disclaimer. Because without fail, whenever I make a video like this, people think I hate the player that I'm talking about. I just have to say I said the same thing about Tua Tagovailoa, and I was right. In 2017, Tua Tagovailoa did not start as a true freshman. Jalen Hurts remained the starter. Just because you are immensely talented does not mean you will start. It takes more than talent to start for Alabama head coach Nick Saban. You have to be trusted. You have to take care of the football. You need to know how to manage a game. No matter how talented you are, those things don't just happen. I'm pretty sure Bryce Young won't be able to do this right out of the gate. If you disagree with that, tell me why. But in the meantime, I'm going to tell you why Mac Jones will start. So first of all, I have some main points that I'm going to go over. So I'm going to tell you the attributes that I think are important to why Mac Jones will start. And then I'm going to show you some plays that give you examples of that. So Mac Jones has experience now. He knows Steve Sarkisian's offense. He's tough. And he's fairly crafty in his mobility. And all that kind of makes a productive player in this Alabama offense. So this play from the first quarter of the Iron Bowl, it won't impress you on the first look. But notice that this is 3rd and 20. Auburn is in a dime defense, which means they have 6 defensive backs on the field. They dropped 6 DBs on 4 Alabama wide receivers. Mac Jones looks downfield, he sees this, and he comes down to Najee Harris on the check down. Not even Tua Tagovailoa did that consistently in his first or second year. Of course, it doesn't convert this 3rd down, but you have to take your check down there and not force the ball down the field. Taking care of the football is a very, very important thing. Nick Saban says a drive is good if it ends in a kick, whether that's a punt, a field goal, or PAT, never in a turnover. Will Bryce Young be able to do that immediately? Here in the second quarter of the Iron Bowl, we get another play that won't wow you. Sarkisian designed this to get Brian Robinson open on a fade and wheel route, or fade/wheel route, to the sideline. Notice that the tight end runs a short end route here, with Devontae Smith running a slant route inside from the X receiver spot. The left side of the field is now open with only one route, and that's from Brian Robinson. Mac Jones throws this ball as Brian Robinson is curving up the field and hits him in his hands at the line of scrimmage. The timing on that play is basically perfect. If you wait any longer, the defender is going to break up that pass. That's confidence in the system and in the decision that you have to make from Mac Jones here. And my question is, will Bryce Young do that? Will he commit to doing this? The West Coast system isn't all about making those splash plays, and it has adapted. Sarkisian has mixed it with a lot of the RPO and the spread concepts of today, but it still has those West Coast principles at heart. And you have to adhere to those to keep the offense running. So now these 2 runs I'm showing you highlight 2 things about Mac Jones. His situational awareness and his toughness, and especially how they are encapsulated in his crafty running style. So the run on 3rd and 10 here in the first quarter ended with a 1st down conversion and a pop hit from the defenders. They popped him on this play. And on his 4th down and 7th play, he didn't let the pressure of 4th down cause a mistake in him. He calmly navigated the pocket and he took off for a 1st down. And that's just really crafty running. Lastly, this throw to Devontae Smith down the left sideline speaks for itself. He displays touch on his downfield throw. He's done this enough to show that he can be a threat as a down the field passer, and that will keep this offense running. And he's going to need to take advantage of that with this receiver core. So I bring this up not to say that Mac Jones is perfect or the best we've ever seen, but to say that Mac Jones is a trusted, experienced player who will lead a productive offense. You don't recklessly start a true freshman with the hopes that he plays to his ceiling immediately, when he most likely won't. So with all that said, Bryce Young is talented, but he won't start in his freshman year. It just won't happen. If you disagree though, go ahead and let me know why in the comment section below. And if you have other topics that you want me to explore, feel free to leave that in the comment section below as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.